So you've picked out a Krypton Performance Fabric for your furniture. Great. You're thinking you may have kids, you may have pets. You just want peace of mind because this fabric is easier to clean. But then you stop and think and go, wait a minute, what if something actually happens and I have to clean it? How do I do it? Watch this video to the end. We'll show you how. Hey everybody, Mike here from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. So in this video, we're going to show you the easy steps you need to take to clean your Krypton Performance Fabric. But before we get to any spills, here's a tip for weekly maintenance. Get out that vacuum and vacuum your Krypton Performance Fabric. Once a week, that's all it takes, because dust will settle in, especially on something lighter like this. It'll make it look dingy. So weekly vacuuming, not hard, gets the dust off. That is maintenance. That is a good tip for you, so keep that in mind. Now, let's get to some spills. All right, now let's get to the dreaded moment when you spill some liquid. Quick tip, if it's thicker like a soup, get a spoon and scoop it up first before you start the cleaning process. More than likely though, it's gonna be something like this. Hot cup of coffee spilled, so here we go. Moment of truth, the coffee spills. Oh my. And there you see on the Krypton, it beads up. So first thing, get yourself a nice soft towel and begin to blot. Don't rub, blot. And you can see, wow, it's picking it up pretty well. There's still some stainage there though. So blot first with the soft towel. We got some water here handy. So next up, blot with the water. You're hoping the water does it. In this case, it's not. So we're gonna have to go to our cleaning solution. So let's show you the recipe for our cleaning solution. All right, the recipe for our cleaning solution, it is simple and stick to it, by the way. So all you need is a spray bottle. We have one here. You need 16 ounces of warm water. So let's get that in there. And again, as we're pouring this in, more soap is not actually a good thing. So stick to the recipe. It's 16 ounces of warm water and 1 teaspoon of an enzyme-based detergent like a Tide or Dawn. So that's what we have. So there's our 16 ounces, and this has it kind of marked out for you to make it simple. So let's add the teaspoon of Dawn in there. And there's your teaspoon. Perfect. A couple of bubbles to boot. Get that back on there. And simple, 16 ounces, shake it up, and now your cleaning solution is ready to go. All right, let's put the cleaning solution to use. That stain a little stubborn, so you spray it on there. There we go. Use a soft brush, and what you want to do here is go from the outside in, because you don't want to spread this stain, and while you're doing this, you're not letting that stain settle in. So that kind of ruffles up our coffee stain, gets that soapy solution in there, so it looks like it's doing the job. Follow that with some more water. Let's blot that out. I had a little too much there. And just blot the water. And you repeat this as many times as needed. So in this case, it looks like it's coming out. It's a little wet, but the stain itself looks like it's gone. So all you need after that, just blot it dry, and then allow your fabric to air dry. So that really is your cleaning method, and you can see that stain is gone. So it's soap, brush, water, blot dry, then let your fabric air dry, and it's done.